Building strong programming logic is essential for becoming a skilled programmer. The ability to think logically and systematically is key to writing clean, efficient, and effective code. Here are 3 habits that can help you develop strong programming logic. Break down problems into smaller parts. One of the most important habits to build strong programming logic is to learn how to break down complex problems into smaller, more manageable parts. This allows you to focus on one small piece of the problem at a time and build up to the final solution. Start by identifying the input and output of the problem, and then break down the solution into a series of steps that will get you from the input to the output. This process is known as decomposition, and is a critical skill for any programmer. Think in terms of algorithms. An algorithm is a set of instructions for solving a problem or performing a task. When you're working on a programming problem, try to think in terms of algorithms. This means breaking down the problem into a series of steps that can be executed in order to solve the problem. Algorithms are essential for building strong programming logic because they provide a systematic approach to problem solving. Practice, practice, practice. Like any other skill, building strong programming logic requires practice. The more problems you solve, the more you'll develop your ability to think logically and systematically. Try to practice on a regular basis, and challenge yourself with increasingly complex problems. There are many online resources available that provide practice problems, so take advantage of these resources to build your skills. In conclusion, building strong programming logic requires breaking down problems into smaller parts, thinking in terms of algorithms, and practicing regularly. By developing these habits, you'll be well on your way to becoming a skilled programmer.